Hi guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, I will share with you about Flutter Web. I'm so excited because this is the last feature that Flutter announced, the last release. The last week, Flutter announced that Flutter Web is now in the same master repository. That is great because you can have all your resources, all your sources about your development in the same repository, and you can launch in different multi-platforms like web or mobile like iOS or Android. That is amazing. So in this video I will share with you how to use Zeplin to convert your designs to Floral. So please don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. In this session, we are going to convert this design on the screen to Flutter. So if you see, I have this design in Sketch. So I use the design from Uplabs. So you can go there and looking for VR landing, and you will um, find it. I don't know if I can find it now, but if I can find it now, I will put the design in the description below. So without waste time, I will go to the design again. So I have the design here in Sketch. So the first step is export to Zeppelin. So I will select export selected, and then I will select the project I'm working. In this case is Auction app. So I will export to Zeppelin. As you know, in the last video, you can go to my last video. I explained about how to use extensions for Zeppelin. In this session, we are going to use the same extension that we used the last video. This is Flutter Extended. As I mentioned it before, this is one extension I use to speed up my development process. So I share this extension with you. I will put in the description below and you can install it. This is free and this is mine, and you can give me your feedbacks. So I go to dashboard and I will see if I could to export the design correctly. I think I have one problem. I will select add port and then I will select Zeppelin again because no, here is great. Okay, perfect. I have the design from Sketch in Zeppelin, so I will open it. This is loading, but ready. This is here. So I can select all the layers, all the elements from the design, and I will have all the info about Flutter. For example, the rich text, about the containers, about different elements. So I have all the info here. So the next step is to pass all the info about code snippets from Zeppelin to Floral. So we are going to the next step. Okay guys, so this is the time to create our Flutter project. So we go to Visual Studio Code and then we are going to create a new Flutter web project. As you know, new Flutter project. VR landing. We are going to call it VR. I'm sorry. What is the underscore? landing, beer landing is okay. We select one folder, it is okay, and ready, the project is created. So as you know, and as I mentioned before, in the last release of Flutter, the support for Flutter Web is now included. So when you create a new project for Flutter, you will have the web folder in the main directory. So you have to remember to upgrade your Flutter to Flutter 1.9. This is important. So you can check if you have the last Flutter version. You can go to the terminal and put Flutter Doctor. And you can see what version of Flutter you have. As you can see, I have Flutter 1.10.4. So I upgrade my last Flutter version, but if you have a Flutter 1.9, it is okay. You will have the info about web. So if when you create a new project, you can see your web folder, so you can use this command. Or for example, if you have one project that you created before this new release, so you can use this flutter create dot. When you use this command, you will create the web support. So this is so useful for your last project and you want to add the web support. So you can use flutter create dot. So in this case, I will not use this command because I have web support and I didn't to use this command. So let's go ahead. To run your Flutter web, you need to use flutter run the Chrome. And when you use this command, Google Chrome will open it and you will see all the source from here. So this is building. And now Google Chrome is opening. And let's see what happened. Okay. So this is loading yet. As you see, you have the source that Flutter creates by default. This is taking more time than expecting. But while it's loading, we can start about code snippets from Zeplin. So The first thing we are going to create is the header, because we can see I have a header here. We have a logo and we have a menu option. So this is the first step. So we are going to, this is loading jet, I'm sorry, but we are going to delete. Okay, perfect. We have the first test here. So now we are going to delete all the elements we don't need. The floating bottom. We don't need more a column. And for this example, we are going to use a single child scroll view, because we are going to put different elements from the top to above. So this is important because we need to have all the space from the top to infinite to above. So we are going to use a column. You have to remember that when we use single child scroll view, we need to assign a child. In this case, it has to be a column. We use, okay. In here, we are going to define the top header. For this, we are going to create a new folder, call it UI, and inside a new folder called widgets. In here, we are going to add a header.dart. This is to organize better our code. Stateless header widget. Okay. Remember to import material. Import material. Great. So as you know, we have one row here because we have different elements horizontally. So instead of a container, we are going to use a row. Children, we have the logo here. So we define a container with the info from Zeplin. But we are going to use width 128, but we are going to use 135. Okay. So width 135 and height. Okay, 85. Child is a image. Okay. Image plus asset. Here we are going to add the logo. So for this we need a new folder here. So we add a new folder called assets. We go to sketch to export the logo. This is the logo. make it portable. We use 3x to have a better resolution for the logo, and then we export selected, we call it logo BR or just logo, and the desktop. Oh, downloads is okay. Okay, logo BR. So we go to downloads, we have here, and then we pass the logo to assets. It's okay, it's perfect. And now we go to the YAML file, and then we add the assets. Assets. Perfect. This is okay. So for this, we need to reload again, but a complete reload. We cannot use a fast reload. As you know, in the terminal, you will see, for more detail, please help message, press H. To quit, press Q. And if you want to have a whole reload, you need to press R. But in this case, as I mentioned before, this is not useful because we need to have assets. So I'm going to select Q. Okay. And then I will go to my header and I will use assets logo br.png. Okay, perfect. Then we need the menu. Okay, so we are going to define a row here just with the menu. Okay, so then we use a row inside a row because we need to separate. The logo will be on the top left and the menu will be on the top right. So okay, we have the info from Zeppelin. I have the menu here. We can copy the rich text. We have all the info about of the options, but in this case you can see that we have a different style for the first option. As you can see that changes. Wow, it's the same basically, because we have font family, Poppins color, it is the same, font size it is the same, and letter spacing is the same. So we can use a text with the same style. So in this case I will delete the rich text. We're going to use a text. So first is VEXP, and then style. We're going to copy the style, the text style. This is okay. Sorry, I forgot to need both. Okay. Okay, this is, and ready. We can use this for all the options. Second option. Okay. First option. Second option. Three option. Four option. Five option. As you can see in Zeppelin, for this element we have the rich text. So sometimes Zeppelin bring all the info from a sketch file. So many times the designer or the design from a sketch has a configuration that Zeppelin understand that this is a rich text. So rich text basically is when you have different font styles in one in the same text. For example, you can have this element with bold, but you can have this element as the same element with italic or different features. So in this case, the extension Flutter extending understand that this is an element with different styles. But as you can see, you can just select the text style is just one text style, because you will need to separate your different menu options. So that is the reason I use a separate text, because then I will need to wrap this with a inkwell. Yeah, because we need to go to different sections of the page. So for this reason, I not use the rich text. So we have this, we have go apps and games, go apps in games, community, and support. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We have one else, so I will delete. Yes. Ready? We have 4 options here. It's perfect. We are going to use a main alignment dot send space between. In here, about this row, we are going to use main alignment space between, because we need the logo will be on the top left, as I mentioned before. So ready, we are going to save, and we are going to restart again. Flutter run the Chrome. So we are waiting while it's loading, but at the meantime, let's go ahead. So we have the first element. So then we have 2 sections. We have this section, the left section, and we have the right section. But we have a row here, 2 sections horizontally. So for this, we are going to use a new widget, and we are calling it left section. Or we are calling it a left description. Left description dot there. Import material stateless. This is left description. Okay. For this we are going to use a column. Okay. And for this column we have children, the different elements. The first is the title. We copy the code snippets, and then we paste here. I think I can use this is function. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, play the next level of gaming. Play the next level of gaming. So perfect. This is the title. We have the title here. Then we have the description. Just select this is a rich text, I think. Okay. We are going to copy it. I'm going to use 3. Ready? Perfect. We have the rich text here. Okay. Let's see what happened with this. Text style. Okay, perfect. So we have these elements. We need to create this element. This is the button. So for this, we have the rich text here. We need to put all these elements in a row because we need to add 3 elements: the button, the link to the video. Okay, first one is the button. We copy it here. Okay. This is I'll wrap with a inkwell. Top. Okay, perfect. So then we need to assign a child here. The child is the text, learn more. So we use learn more. Okay, perfect. We have this here. We need this one. For this, we go to sketch and we will, let's see. Okay, perfect. This is separated, but I need the same one. Oh. Okay, so I will select both, group selection, and then make exportable. Okay, this is 3x, export, play. We go for play to assets, ready, and also, okay, this is perfect. Okay, perfect. This is okay. So we go to our code, and then we need to add, we have the button here. So now we need our play button icon. So we'll use the Zeplin info about the container. We copy and paste this here. And we are not going to use the decoration because we only need to contain the image.dos asset. This is assets.play.png. Okay, perfect. We need to add a size box with a space between this and this. I will put with 20, and then we need to add the watch lemma. Okay, perfect. Size box again. Okay, with 10 in the text. Perfect. Okay, great. So we have all the left description ready. We have the header, we have the main. So we go to the main, we just put all the elements. Size box, height. Let's see, 10, row, children, left description, and for the right we need to add this element. So for this we are going to use the container. And as a child, we're going to use an image. And this will be from Scratch. This is the image. Export selected. Okay, I'm going to do 3x. VR illustration. Sorry. Okay, two assets we have here. Perfect. And then what's happening with Chrome? Okay, Chrome is running. Okay, so we go to our main assets, VR illustration.png. So ready, and we need to restart. So this is okay. Ready, and we run it. Okay, let's see what happened with all the info that we have using. So as you can see, the info about the letter is Poppins. So we need to add this letter. So I will add a new folder about fonts. And let's go to the okay, Poppins font. This is a Google Fonts, so we are going to download it. Sorry for all my tabs open. Okay, we select this font. Okay, this is okay. Perfect. UI UX. We are going to use download folder. Poppins. Ready. Poppins. Let's see. Oh, there are many fonts. Okay. Okay, so I will use Poppins regular. Okay, we go to fonts, and this is, and also we are going to use both. Okay, perfect. This is, I think, I'm having one problem when I'm running this. Okay. Okay, perfect. As you know, this new feature from Floral, it's in development mode yet. So we sometimes we are going to have different errors because this is part of the testing of this new feature. Because as you can see, we have the web support in the master repository. So this is some cases unstable. So we have the fonts here, and then okay, we are going to try to reload again. Let's see what happens. Okay, perfect. So we go to in YAML file, and we are going to add the fonts. Okay, this is the pop poppins. Poppins. Okay, this is assets, fonts. Okay, this is running. Let's go ahead. Okay, perfect. This is our first room. Wow. Okay, perfect. But as we can see, we need to order different things. Okay, let's get started. This is part of our job. Okay, so we are going to finish with exporting the letters or the fonts correctly. Opens. Regular. Opens. Both. And then here we have wave. Okay. This is. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So here we need to reload again, restart again, because we have added new assets or new resources. In this case, are fonts. So perfect. Run the Chrome, and we go to our source. Okay, the first thing I will review is the left description. Okay, perfect. I see about the button. The button, I will see that this text need to be centered in the center. So I will add a center here. This is perfect. And let's see what happened with the font style. So we go to the header as well. And let's see what happened with the logo and with the menu options. Okay, this is our second test. Okay, I need to go to the main file, and then I will delete the app bar because I don't need the app bar. R. This is a hot restart. As you can see, this is perfect. As I see, I'm having problems with the font. Okay, this is okay, but I need to go okay. Okay, so this is about the font sorry, about the font size. So let's go to the header. Opens. I need a path here. Hold restart. I'm ready. The logo is a little better. Okay. Okay. So let's try to put 25. Let's see. I think this is not the problem from the font size, because I think 35 it's a good size for the text. Okay, this is better, but if you see, we have too much padding here, so we will need to add padding to that. Yeah, that is the okay. So we go back to the code and we go to Zeppelin. We have padding here. So okay, so we need to add more padding. Only left cientos and top. I need 40 maybe, and then hot restart. Okay, this is too much space. So to understand better, I think I need to comment this. And let's see what happened with it. So okay, this is, but I think I will go to header, but I will delete the padding here. I will replace widget with its children, because I will add the padding on the header. Padding. This is better. Only left 20, top 20, right 20. Okay, we are having one problem. This is the the thing I mentioned before about the testing, because sometimes it crashes. I will restart again and let's see what happened. Okay guys, after the long wait, we have the final result here. So I see this is okay. So let's go back in. Okay, let's check. I think we need to add more padding to the left, and we need to go to the top header, and well, here we have the padding. We are going to add 40 and 40, save it, and we press R to reload, the fast reload. Let's okay. 100, save it. Okay, I see the header. In the header, this is a little big, so I will choose 100 as well, and let's see what happened. So okay, we see this. Okay, I see we need more padding. Okay, perfect. So I think that it's okay, the header is okay. So let's go to the next part. This is the left description. So in the left description, as you can see, we will need to the left, and then about font size, it's so big, so we are going to use 100. We really need to understand what is happening about the font size, because for me this is a good font size, but when we run it on Flutter Web, we see that this is so big. So we are going to try to use to reduce the number. So okay, okay, let's uncomment this section, this row, and let's comment this. We are going just at the left description. Let's see what happened. To this, let's add a padding as well. This padding will be the same like the element above. Okay, perfect. It's okay. Restart. Sometimes when you try to do a hot restart, a hot reload, we will see an error. For example, it says trying again after fixing the above errors. So you need to try again to write R and ready. Okay, so we are waiting. Let's try again. But if this doesn't work, we are going to reload completely. Okay, no. So I need to finish and we're going to try from zero. I know at this stage it's a little complicated, as I mentioned before, but this is part of this process. I think while Floral is working in the new release about to have a more stable version of Flutter Web, we need to be aware of this slow process. This is building and almost is ready. This is okay. This is better, but it's too big. So we are going to the left description. This is okay. I have problem with the okay with this. Okay. So if we see the okay, this is perfect. Okay. 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 Let's see. Okay, we are going to add a main. Put the columns. Okay, let's try with the cross line. Okay, perfect. This is the what we need. This is better. So we only need to reduce the space because this is too much. I'm going to use 1.5. Okay, I think this is better. Perfect. Okay, let's check we need here. The buttons. Okay, here. Then we have the description. Then we have the okay, so the description is okay, and here we need to add a size box to separate these two elements. So we need to add a 50 start. Okay, this is better. About this, we need to okay. We go to Zeplin. We are going to reduce the size. Okay, we have 358, but we are going to use okay, we need to calculate okay, we are going to use okay. Ok, entonces tenemos que 30%. So this is 90. Okay, let's wait. Check. Here we are going to change this letter and we are having problems. I know This is okay. Okay, perfect. Let's use 50, 50. Okay, I have this here. I think this I need to. Okay, I need to make this bottom. Let's see this. I think this is okay, but I need to use a proportional value. 60. Okay, I will need to add above the row size box. Okay, this is, and we need to change the letter because this is too much bigger for the container. Okay, perfect. Finally, that's it. This is too much better if you compare with the original design. Okay. I need to separate the play bottom. I will add 40. And we are going to do the last part. This is about the BR illustration. We have the asset here. It's okay, but we need to reduce this. So in this case, I will try to use okay, to 700. Okay, so in this case, we need to get the proportional value. So I use a rule of 3, and I will use proportional value. Use this, and let's check it out. Okay. Okay, let's use 500. Let's check what happened. Okay. Okay. So I'm having problems with this because this is not reloading correctly. About the header, I see about left description. I see this letter, it's a little bigger, this one. So I will try to remove the letter spacing. So we are going to try to reload. A font size smaller. Okay. Let's use a fitted box. Let's do okay. I think it's better, but we need to use. Okay, I think this is better. I can understand better this. Okay. About this, we have so we will need to to use let's check. Okay, I will remove the this 220. Okay, this is better. This is too much better. Too much better. Okay, so the next step is about it. Let's use 34. And the last one, it's about the image. I feel the image it's a little bigger, so we are going to try to use okay, that's better. That is too much better. I think this is more like the design. So here I have here I only need to add okay, I have the top header, the left description. I only need to space between. Let's check what happened with this. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's better. But I will try to center this. I will use a cross alignment center. Okay. That is okay. I just need to add size box. Let's see. Okay. perfect. I feel that I need to the left description. I will do to use the end. Okay. Size and box. Okay, this is better. You only need to reduce between these two elements. At the top, 0. That's okay because perfect. If we go to the header, we have the container, we have the row. It's perfect. Okay. I'm trying to use a 12. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect, guys. Just will go to change the logo. Okay, perfect. This is better. So, okay, guys, this is the last design. I know we have problems. We had problems with the whole reload and with different elements, because if we see the info about Zeppelin, we will see different info about the font size. So if we use the same font size, we will have problems. So this is one point that we need to have, that we need to be aware, because I am understanding that Flutter do a responsive change of the font size. So for example, when we reduce this, we are going to see that the Flutter is the manager that is going to change the font size. So this is one point that we need to be aware when we are going to develop for Flutter Web. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will try to do more videos about Flutter Web. If you have one design we want do you want I include in my video? So send me to my email and we are going to try for you your design. So thanks for watching.